relax good mo. Ma-chill good mo. It's not an easy, like all things, di nyo isa yun. Di nyo isa yun, but it's totally worth it. At agad ang mag-example na worth it. Na bagong project i-launch, si Simulan Masters ganina ng attend, it's called the Wave Towers. It's in Cebu IT Park. Nara siya kilid sa 38 Park, tapat sa Avida. O niya, ang potential ninyo nga ma-earn kung makahalin mo studio karon 226,000. 70,000 incentive plus commission. 226,000. Okay, sample. Namoy calculate? Kung ibutang tag 226,000 divided by 20,000 boss. Pila? 226,000 divided by 20. Pila boss? Pila boss? No, 226,000 divided by 20,000. 11.3. Mag-branding mo, okay? Mag-branding mo, ga-post mo about the wave. Na yung nag-inquire, nipalit. After a week, nag-inquire na palit, kay gwapo ka siya, ganahan ka siya sa presentation, ga-post mo pictures, ga-post mo videos, ga-post mo caption, nag-focus mo sa the wave. Nakahanin mo after a week. Para itong ingon ni Boss Hector, nakahalin siya that afternoon. Strong kayong brand. In 1 week, grabe kayo. Kung na mag-search of the wave on Google, mugawa sa result, inyong Facebook account. Ingana mo ka-strong. Ingana, basta strong inyong brand, malimay tabo. Kung na mag-search of the Wave Towers on Google, magawas. Inyong profile. So, nag-post mo na, nakakita, bay, ganahan ko aning project lagi. Tapat, inside IT Park, the top, IT Park, by the way, is top 20 highest valued property in the Philippines. Top 20. So, nindot yung kayong IT Park. So, department ninyo sa branding. Kamu po, top 20 po mo. Top 20 ko nga agent in the Philippines. Nga na ba? You have to feel it. O yan, nakahalin mo. After a week, 226,000 commission and incentive. Kung nanarbaho mo, 11 months pa. 11 months pa na ninyo makuha. Kaya guys mo? Yes. Kung makahalin mo 3 bedroom. 3 bedroom, ang katong dako. Na may 2-story na 3 bedroom. Ang inyong makuha, 2.2 million. 2.2 million divided by 20,000. Walang tanong, ano yung sundo? Pila ka months, boss? 2.2 million divided by 20,000. Pila? Pila? 110 divided by 12. Pila na ka-years, boss? Pila ka-years? 9 years! Una mo, makakuha 2 million. Kunya, wala na. Kanang gubati na kayo mugnaw, depressed na kayo mo, o niya, wala agad mo yung na-achieve sa, ma-feel ninyo ba? Wala agad ko yung na-achieve sa kulay. Pero once makahalin mo, ana, usa, kana lang, aim high ka ba? Aim high. Kunya, kung mo aim pagkitag higher, hatagang pagkitag mong lang example. Ang pinakamahal na real estate project na akong hibawaan, okay? As far as I know, it's located in Manila, in Quezon City. It's a penthouse. It's a penthouse at the highest floor. Tagana tagpila, isa maka-project, tagpila. Penthouse, it's about 250 square meters. Na maka-project, tagpila. 100. Pila pa ito sa uban?
150.
3, pila?
150 million.
146. Grabe ka specific si boss. Kinsa pa? Usa ka penthouse dito by Shang Properties, 550 million.
Oh.
550 million. Okay, mag-math, engineer mo ko, pag gamito na punta mo sa inyong calcul. 550 million times 0.04. Palihog daw ko. Ikaw, boss. Okay, naka-iPhone mo ka, boss. 550 million times 0.04. Times 0.04. Your commission is 22 million. 22 million. Divided by 20,000. Kapatan, ano mo sundo? Pila, boss? 1,100 months divided by 12. 91 years. Maka 22 million. Pila na edad ninyo karon? Maski 22, wala. Diba? So that is the potential of real estate. Okay? So we have given you everything. Nana mga ngilngig na speakers, kanina bang ipa-speak sa atubangan? Dili ni kanang mga trainer lang, kanang babayron. Libre ra ni, kunya based sa experience, mga ngiling yun ni. So take advantage of that. You have the free software, you have the free websites, everything is free. Usakay pakapihon pa mo sa inyong unit manager. Nunya, karon as an example, nakatuna sandwich o pancit pagyod. Okay? So everything is laid out for you. The system is there. Okay? That system is there. It's up to you right now what you would do about this. Unsa may reaction ninyo sa pagkakaroon? Kung karon you are so fired up, ganahan ko maka 22 million, keep the fire burning, but ayaw po kaayo palabini. Kaya masunog niya mo. Masunog niya mo. Ma-burn out niya mo. Keep it na ng medium